Okay, so we have to find reduction formula for integration of sec power nx. So what we will do, we will consider this as in. Okay, so look at this. So if we will consider this as in sec power, wait. So we have handled sine, cos, tan and cot. In sine and cos we have taken one thing outside. In tan and cot we have taken two things outside. So here also we will take two things outside. So sec n minus 2x and then sec square x dx. Okay. Now the point is what we should do here. Can we take this thing as z so that its differentiation becomes sec square x? No. Differentiation of sec x is not sec square x. Okay. So what we will do? So in this case you have to apply integration by parts. Okay. So look at this. We will be writing first function integration of second function minus whole integration differentiation of first function. Okay. Integration of second function. Correct? We have taken first function as sec power n minus 2 because its differentiation is easy. We cannot find out the integration right now. Okay, so sec power n minus 2x. Now what is the integration of sec square x? It is 10x. Correct? Now let's do the differentiation. So if you will do the differentiation, it is n minus 2 and then sec power n minus 3x. Okay, and then sec x 10x. Correct? Now integration of sec square x is also 10x. 10x dx. Okay, now look at the idea. So it is sec power n minus 2x 10x minus n minus 2, and then look at this is one thing, this is n minus 3. So if we will like club, we will have n minus 2. Now this is tan square x. Okay, so can I apply that sec square x minus tan square x equals to 1 wala formula as sec square x minus 1 dx. Okay, let's open that bracket and create two questions. So it is sec power n minus 2x 10x minus n minus 2 integration of sec power nx plus, this is dx, and then plus integration of n minus 2 first and then integration of sec power n minus 2x dx. Okay, now write down the general form. So it is sec n minus 2x 10x minus n minus 2 I of n. Okay, so here we will be writing I of n, and then here we will be writing plus n minus 2 and then I of n minus 2. Okay, now what we have to do, in the left hand side we have in and here also we will have in. Correct na? So we will take both thing on the one side. So look at this, what will happen. It is in minus of, not minus, it will become plus of in, and then minus of 2 times in, it's okay. Then sec power n minus 2 x 10x and plus n minus 2 I of n minus 2. Now let's write down this thing in simplified form. Okay, so we can take in common and we will be having sec power n minus 2x 10x plus n minus 2 I n minus 2 upon, look at very carefully, you will have n minus 1 in the denominator, correct? I hope you got the idea, and from now onwards if you will have sec power 5, 7, 9, 20, 25, 20, 27, you guys can handle those situations as well. Okay, so the idea is if you will handle sine and cos, take one thing outside. If you will handle tan, cot, sec, you will take two things outside. Okay,